In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your audience age group on Pinterest. You probably want to see your audience age range on Pinterest. Maybe you want to have an informed decision that you want to make on pinning on your Pinterest boards. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Pinterest homepage, navigate to the bottom right corner where you see this profile menu and tap on it. Then on this interface, proceed to the top left corner where you see these three lines and tap on it. This will land you on an interface like this. Make sure to tap on audience. In order for you to see your audience age range, all you have to do is to scroll down a little. As you correctly see, this is the age, so you can see the various age range with the percentage of audience that it has. When you scroll down a bit, you can see all attached to it. This will probably guide you in your subsequent pin that you'll be pinning on Pinterest board. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.